Na nababaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tabon, Angeles City, and we were invited to come and check out 12 Baskets Korean Food House.
So located tayo dito sa may Markeat, Tabon, Angeles City. So ang pinaka-landmark lang naman is yung pinaka-terminal ng Citicenter.
Yeah, so if you notice guys, this is like a food park, and isa sa mga offering nila dito is actually Korean food.
Yes.
Literally
Authentic Korean street food.
here guys. So if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami. We're gonna dine with the owner.
Yes, so tara, let's go.
Right, so notice guys, meron tayong cooking demo live. And earlier, yung niluto nila sa atin is yung seafood fried rice. Yan. And then right now, what we're gonna do is cook for our samgyeopsal. Panoorin natin si Chef. Alright, I think the table is ready. Okay, so first off, let's introduce the food that they prepared for us. So this one is their tonkatsu, seafood fried rice. And then tokbokki, this is bibimbap. Ayan, this is kimbap. California roll, oh, okay. And then lastly is the sizzling samji.
150 lang.
It's just 150 guys, ayan. Okay.
Siyempre, titikman na natin yan.
This is another famous Korean dish. It's called tokbokki. So basically, this one right here, this is a rice cake, and then this one, udeng, which is fish cake.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan. For sure guys, alam niyo yung lasa nito. Oh, that's hot. That's spicy.
Yeah. So syempre dito sa 12 Baskets Korean Food House, meron din silang tonkatsu. Yan. So syempre titikman din natin yan with their sauce. So meron siyang corn side dish, yung kanilang coleslaw, beans, carrots, and syempre yung tonkatsu.
This one naman guys is their Korean seafood fried rice. Let's try this one. So it has shrimps. Brother, that was an experience from our chef mismo, di ba? Nakita natin yung showmanship niya kanina.
Yes, ako pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa kanila is yung kanilang bibimbap. Yun, tsaka yung tokbokki nila. Kasi medyo nandun yung kick and anghang.
Ako nagustuhan ko sa kanila yung kanilang sizzling samgyeopsal. Actually, no? So if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.